This is a 2007 Forest River Charleston 40 footer. It's in good condition. Has 4 slides. We'll come on inside here. Nice leather. Now this is the view from the front. Couch, dinette, kitchen, and another couch. A nice open floor plan. Microwave. Double door fridge. Come back here. You have a split bathroom. So you have the shower and the sink. And then you have your toilet area in here. And we'll come up into the bedroom. Have a TV and a little workstation there. Put a computer on. Plenty of storage. Does have washer dryer hookup. Has a queen size bed. And a door here that will slide to section off your bedroom to give you some privacy. And then this one is what it looks like from the back. Down here. Has 22,000 miles on it. Very nice condition. And 22,000 miles is not a lot.